Chapter 11, Supply Chain Management. Hello everybody, I'm Hu Hui. Nice to see you again. Today I will introduce supply chain management to you. Let's start with what is a supply chain. A supply chain can be viewed as a combination of processes, functions, activities, relationships, and pathways along which products, services, information, and financial transactions move in and between enterprises from a regional producer to ultimate end user or consumer. As the website WiseJig says, supply chain is a network of retailers, distributors, transporters, storage facilities, and suppliers that participate in the production, delivery, and sale of a product to the consumer. It is typically made up of multiple companies who coordinate activities to set themselves apart from the competition. So, we can see there are some common contents about supply chain. It is a network of many entities, and there are several kinds of activities and multiple flows in the system. There are three key parts to a supply chain. Supply focuses on the raw material supplied to manufacturing, including how, when, and from what location. Manufacturing focuses on converting raw materials into finished products. Distribution focuses on ensuring these products reach the consumers through a network of distributors, warehouses, and retailers. Let's look at the figure in the slide. This figure presents illustrations of the definition of supply chain. You can see some entities and product flow, information flow, and financial flow through it. The product flow includes moving goods from supplier to consumer, as well as dealing with customer service needs. The information flow includes order information and delivery status. The financial flow includes payment schedules, credit terms, and additional arrangements. As the figure shows, some supply chains can be much more complex, and coordinating complex supply chains is likely to be more difficult than for simple ones. Moreover, complex supply chains may include specialist companies, such as third-party providers, to facilitate coordination among various supply chain parties. Nowadays, different scholars have different definitions of supply chain management. We define supply chain management here as design, planning, execution, control, monitoring of supply chain activities with the objective of creating net value, building a competitive infrastructure, leveraging worldwide logistics, synchronizing supply with demand, and measuring performance globally. Then, there are 7 principles of supply chain management. First of all, we need to understand the value and the demand of customers. We need to know that the upstream and the downstream members should be considered in the management of logistics assets. Then, we should organize customer management, integrate sales and operation plan, balance production and outsourcing, and form strategic alliance with members of the supply chain. Finally, we need to work out a measurement system of customer-oriented behavior. The main purpose of supply chain management is to achieve 4 goals. That is, the right product in the right place, at the right time, for the right price, to achieve efficiency optimization. To achieve optimization, a sharing and collaboration is necessary for supply chain. As the figure shows, suppliers and manufacturers and retailers all need collaborative planning. Instead of starting with the manufacturer, it now needs a customer to trigger the process in the supply chain. Each stage of the process pulls from its respective supplier. Such a system can ensure that only what is ordered is built and shipped. That is a pull supply chain.